The first step is to open Canva, and scroll to the design you want to edit. Click on the design to open it. Click on the element whose format you want to copy. If your menu needs to be expanded, you'll see 3 horizontal dots. Click the 3 dots to expand your menu options. With the element selected, click the copy style icon. This will temporarily turn your cursor into a paint roller icon. With your cursor, click the element whose format you want to make match. You have copied the style from one element to another. Style and formats you can copy include elements, charts, pages, and text boxes. That's it, you're done.